Hi everybody, today I will present to you how to install the stubby and a straight spout of DSD. So this is what we need to do the installation of today: the straight spout and the stubby. Today it's orange, we can get the color black color. And we need the drill bit .240 today that we're going to use to install. What not to do. So what we have to avoid to do is to put the spout in a stubby and then going to hammer both together. We have to avoid that. Why? Because both will be glue at the end of the season. So you don't want that. It's going to be hard to remove them. What to do?